Hi, Susie Phillips here, and let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered if there was a better way to do affiliate marketing, or better yet, to attract an army of affiliates to promote your products for you? You know, most of the so-called experts talk about keywords, offering bonuses, and many other ways to bring in the hungry fish. But isn't it funny how nobody talks about the most important factor? Your affiliates who sell for you. It's a major factor because your affiliates determine your income and your product sales. They really do. And while your competitors may have top affiliates marketing for them, you may not have any, or at least not enough. And the truth is, you can never have too many affiliates. So the real question is, how do you find out for sure? How do you find the affiliates? How do you attract them? Well, I'm about to introduce to you a powerful and user-friendly software that allows you to find out more about your affiliates and more about your competitors' affiliates. And it also gives you an opportunity to build strong and lasting relationships with them. And what's even more cool is you can even find out about your competitors' top affiliates and offer them juicy deals to promote your products. Knowing who your own affiliates are will help your business be better. The best thing is, with this software, you will know who your competitors' top affiliates are. So let this easy-to-use software help you to do so. Sign up below and get your copy of this amazing software now.